vibes? It's your boy Get Busy Rue. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Like, comment, subscribe, show love. You know the vibes. So today I'm gonna be going over my Shopify experience. I know I haven't been too active lately. I'm back on campus. I got schoolwork. I got practice. It's been hectic, but I promise I'm gonna do my best to get you guys more content. So today I'm gonna go over my experience with Shopify. I'm gonna go over what's been working for me, what hasn't been working. Go over my entire experience. Hopefully you guys like it. Let's get to it. So this is my Shopify. I've had it open for about 5 days now. Within my 5 days, I had a total of 6 orders and I made a little under, $200. And I'm very, very grateful, really. Some people honestly don't make anything within their first 5 days. So that's something I'm very, very grateful for. Shout out to everybody, that did order from my site. I appreciate you guys a lot. And I know I'm not going to get rich overnight. I know this is going to be a learning experience. I'm going to continue to grow, continue to learn, stay a student, so my site can continue to develop. But yeah, this is something I've always wanted to do. Always wanted to sell things. I always wanted an online store. Just never really knew how to pretty much get started. So one of my boys sent me over a course. My biggest issue really was coming up with a niche. Finding something that I think would sell. I thought of multiple things. I thought of clothing, many different things. And I just didn't think any of those things would stick. So I came to the conclusion that I wanted to sell iPhone cases, iPhone accessories, and things of that nature, because the iPhone 12 literally just came out. Most kids of my age are using phones. So this is something that I think is going to continue to grow. I don't see Apple slowing down anytime soon, especially with our generation. We're always on our phones. We're not like those past generations. We did everything in person. Everything is literally digital. So I did want to do something that involved the phone. And I came up with iPhone accessories, Apple accessories, and things of that nature. So I decided to name the store I Am Legend. Instead of an L, I put a 7. The reason for that is I'm a college football athlete and I wore 7 my entire life. Really, it's my favorite number. And it's due to the fact that my favorite football player, his name is Tyrann Mathieu, in college wore 7, and what he was able to do on the football field has been, completely ridiculous. So I wanted to model my game after him, so I decided to wear 7 as well. And then I'm also very big on God. It took God 7 days to create the earth, right? 7 days of creation. So that influenced my decision a little more. So that's my name of my store, I Am Legend. That's pretty much where I got the name from. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick. So it says legendary up here at the top. I kind of wanted to create like a slime theme, right? I didn't want my page to be boring. I wanted the colors to stick out. So I had the theme like a green slime theme. And I feel like first impression is the best impression. You want to be able to catch people's eyes. It doesn't matter what you're selling. If the page is boring, some people might not even buy from it. You know what I'm saying? So I try to make my page pop out as much as possible with colors and things of that nature. So I have iPhone cases, I have AirPod cases, and then I have other accessories like Mac accessories cases. I have stickers, different chargers, adapters, and stuff like that. So let's go over the cases very quickly. And then I have like some music that plays at the bottom. Got some Gunna playing. I try to get some designer cases, not too much. I have some Palm Angel. This is honestly one of my favorite cases right here. But yeah, it's probably my favorite case, the Palm Angels case. I like how the teddy bear is like missing the head. Also have off-white case. I have the Polo Bear. I have basic cases. Not everybody, is into designer. Everybody's into different things. So I try to add some cartoons. I added some Valentino, some silicone cases, basic cases. I have little black cases with designs on them. I try to mix it up as much as possible. I didn't want the page to come out boring. I have many different little products that I found pretty cool, really. Right now, I'm like in the trial and error phase, right? I'm gonna add different things, see what sells, what doesn't sell, and I'm gonna remove those things that don't sell, and I'm gonna just continue to add based off of the theme of things that do sell. So I also have AirPod cases. I have Bathing Ape. I have like a little car key case where I found pretty cool. Easy Boost cases, The Simpsons, anime, Naruto, Dragon Ball Z. It's just a black silicone case with many different little designs on them. Try to keep it very diverse. Some Travis Scott cases, very basic ones, right? I feel like the best designs are the basic cases, right? When you try to over complex things, they don't really look smooth in my opinion. Things that are smooth, things that I think would sell. I like these little easy cases. I like them. So I have them for the AirPod Pros. And then I also have them for the regular AirPods. So I like them a lot. It's up, the shoe opens up and you could throw your little AirPods in there. And then for other accessories, I have Apple headphones, I have anime stickers. I love the Naruto stickers. I love the Naruto stickers. I think they'd fit perfect on a laptop. How I think about it is like, if I saw this on a website, would I buy it? And this is something I would honestly buy. I would buy Naruto stickers, anime stickers, and stuff like that. I have Dragon Ball Z stickers. They're all 50 pieces, so it comes with 50 different stickers. I have screen protectors, many different adapters, tripods, car chargers, regular chargers. I like the MacBook cases. They're very, very basic. Like I said, I don't want to overcomplicate anything. I love the colors on the cases though. Many different colors. But yes, basically my Shopify, I created about 5 days ago. I'm just still in the student phase, continuing to learn, continuing to grow. I have a lot more to learn. I'm going to continue watching courses, continue to watch YouTube videos. But you know, this is something that I have a lot of faith in. I believe I can make good amount of money in this. I know a lot of people on YouTube have those success stories that I want. So this is just one of the entrepreneurial things I'm doing. I do many different things. You know, I trade, I'm in school, I play football, and then I also just created my Shopify. And I'm just looking to have multiple streams of income online, really. I've worked multiple jobs my entire life. I don't want to do that. I want to learn to make money online. So it's something I'm heavily committed to. But yeah, this is my website. I appreciate everybody for tuning in. Much love, y'all. See me on my next video. I've been ghost for a little bit just because of football and stuff like that, but I'm going to be as active as possible, and I'm going to continue to video and vlog my journey, y'all. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Much love. See you guys on my next video. Peace.